Hi, I'm Tom Scarpello of Revology Cars, and this is car number 333, a 1968 Mustang GT Cobra Jet in Dark Teal Metallic with Orion Gray Nappa leather interior. Today I'm going to take you on a walk around of this car, and we're going to go for a drive. Let's get started. Okay, 1968 Mustang GT Cobra Jet, Dark Teal Metallic. This is a Volkswagen color. Customer selected it. Looks great on a 68 Mustang for sure. Now, those of you who are regular viewers of our channel are familiar with our Cobra Jet model, which features the Shelby powertrain in a Mustang GT package. It is reminiscent of the Cobra Jet that was launched in the latter part of 1968. That was a unique engine. That was the most powerful Mustang built up to that time. We think that the Revology Cobra Jet carries on that tradition. The Shelby powertrain in a Mustang GT body. So we did equip it with a fiberglass hood to get the hood clearance that's necessary for the supercharger. This car has the flush mounted hood latches, in addition, of course, to the center latch that is standard on the 68 Mustang. At the front, the fog lamps, which are part of the GT package, really other than the hood, everything is really completely original appearing. At the side, this car is equipped with the 17 by 9.5 Torq Thrust wheels with 275 section width tires, so awful lot of rubber on the road. Got your GT badging on the fender, the quarter panel ornament there. Side marker lamps came in 1968. The 67 models were not required, but that was a federal requirement in 1968. So you'll see those on all of our 1968 models. At the back, this car looks like a stock 68 GT with the exception of the large Borla exhaust tips. And the inside, this is a gray, it's called Orion Gray. It's a Mercedes OEM Nappa leather. It looks great with the walnut veneer. I personally really like the careful selection of browns and grays. I think it can look really sophisticated, and this is a good example of that. The carpet is 100% wool, square weave. So this is our most luxurious interior in a 67-68. It's an automatic transmission, which features our Revology exclusive T-handle shifter. All right, well, let's get on the road, go for a drive. All right, we're driving car 333. This car is the third Revology Mustang for this client, and he has a fourth on order. He's ordered a Boss 429, which we greatly appreciate, our loyal owners. So we're filming this in December 2025. This car features all the enhancements that we rolled out this year, including the new window regulators, the new pedal package, the new seats, and the retuned springs and dampers. All of these refinements, things you can't even see, you can only appreciate when you drive the car. All of these things really just collectively add up to creating a much more pleasant driving experience. So all of these enhancements are retrofittable to earlier cars. I mean, some are more difficult than others, but it is feasible to do it if you have an earlier car, or if you're interested in buying an earlier car, like one of our certified pre-owned cars, and interested in one or more of the enhancements that we applied later. It's something that we could do at our satellite facility in Orlando. So we're starting to do some of that for some of the earlier customers, which is really nice. It really makes the car more of an heirloom than an automobile. It's not something you would just drive and dispose of, but it's something that you could keep and maintain and upgrade and keep within your family, because it really never goes out of style. It is a true classic. This continuous improvement philosophy that we have means we just are continuously working to refine and improve, and we just can't really leave well enough alone, I guess. Things can always be better, can be improved, and then existing customers can also benefit from those upgrades. The one thing that isn't going to change is the basic shape, the basic architecture of the car. It isn't going to change. And that's nice. It gives you confidence that, what you're buying is not going to become obsolete. And when you're talking about a big ticket item like a car like this kind of a car in particular, that's pretty important.